Come on, in the mud. There it is. Here's the ball. There it is. There we go. Good boy. Huh. I didn't do nothing. I think Jasper needs a wash.
Yeah, are they getting a bath today?
Yeah, well, he's going straight to the bath. I'm going to have no choice but to blow dry him because it's too humid. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey?
No, out of there. Don't listen to Jeff.
Come on. In the hole. Oh, where's everyone gone? Oh, geez. Look at the hole that Flash has dug. I think you can sense the current strong, so he's a bit cautious. Yeah, let's have a look over here. Come on. Yeah, doggy, it's calm over here. Come on, let us swim. Let us swim. There we go. That's better. Lately he just likes to stand. Walking Jack in the rain. If you get a Belgian Shepherd, this is the sort of thing you have to do. Rain or sun, doesn't matter, you still have to walk your dog. One good thing about Jack is he's not bothered by his raincoat at all. Doesn't try and shake it off, doesn't try and bite it or anything like that. He just ignores that he's got something on. He seems to be the same way with a muzzle as well. I remember last Halloween we put little decoration on his head and he's quite happy to walk around with that thing sticking up. Didn't try and shake it off or pull it off with his paws. So he's good in that respect. So I tried walking him, we tried walking him with rain jackets. I'm not sure how good the good ones work, but we just had a cheap one. I found it was completely useless. Water runs in the crack between the head and the shoulder, and it just runs down the inside, and then you're just completely wet after a while. I find it's just as easy to walk with an umbrella, even though I need a hand for that. Really miserable day today. We've got a great big depression off the coast, and looks like it's going to be raining like this for 24 hours. Look at all the water on the field. Looks like the soccer field is flooding. We've got a little creek down the bottom here. We'll see how much that's flooding. Hopefully it's not blocked or overflowing. Jack has a little trouble lifting his leg up with that jacket. It restricts his leg a little bit. He hasn't said anything though, so I guess it's okay.
Wow.
Is it over?
No, Jacob, look at how far.
This is one of Jack's swimming spots. Not now. Look at the bird. Supposed to be going over the top. Bit of a raging fire at the moment. No matter how bad you think the weather is, there's always someone out running. You're never alone. You can see there the water's starting to bubble underneath. Usually when it floods really bad, the river rises and floods over the top, and those barriers are designed to bend over. They're on hinges. What is it? Oh, the water.
It wasn't falling away.
No,